In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Docusign document before signing. This can be really handy, whether you want a hard copy for your records or prefer to review the document in print before putting your electronic signature on it. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is one of the leading platforms for electronic signatures and agreement management, making it a popular choice for handling digital documents. Once you're on the home page, your next step will be to log in. Simply click on the Log In button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Upon reaching your Docusign home screen, you'll want to locate the Agreements tab. Clicking on this will take you to a section that lists all the agreements you are currently handling or have been involved with. Look for the specific document you want to print. Once you've identified the document, the next step is to move over to the Documents section. This area will display all individual papers within each agreement, allowing you to select the precise document you wish to review or print. After finding your document, you should see an option marked Print. Clicking on this will initiate the standard printing process typically found in any application. A print dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose your printer, select the number of copies, and decide on the format such as color or black and white. Make sure your printer is connected and has enough paper and ink or toner before proceeding. If everything looks good, hit the print button to get your hard copy ready. There you go. You now have a printed version of your Docusign document ready to review at your leisure. Remember, printing a document before signing it can be a great way to ensure everything looks correct and nothing has been overlooked. Hard copies are also a fantastic backup in case you need to refer back to the document without accessing your computer. Also, should you encounter any issues during the process, checking your internet connection or refreshing the page might resolve minor glitches. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial on how to print a Docusign document before signing has been helpful. If you have any other questions about using Docusign or electronic signatures in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.